Did you know you can AirDrop files to any device, including Android phones or Windows computers? In this video, I'll show you how to do that and a few other tips you might not know. Okay, so technically this isn't Apple's official AirDrop, but honestly, this website acts the same way and transfers data from one device to another so quickly that it's incredible. So if you've ever wanted to share a bunch of photos or videos to another device and you don't feel like texting it to them, just go over to snapdrop.net. Then tell the other person to do the same, and you'll see them pop up on your screen. Just tap the files that you want to send, and boom, the other person will get them instantly. It's pretty crazy how close this is to AirDrop. And if the other person wants to do it from their phone to your iPhone, they can do that as well. Another tip that's really crazy is your iPhone can automatically stitch photos together like a collage, automatically without really doing a lot of work. Now, there were some TikTok videos going around that I saw on how to do this, and you can just create your own method in Siri shortcuts, but it just did not work for me. Not sure what I was missing, but I did find an alternative. It is a third-party shortcut, so you'll need to enable that in the settings, but you can download this one here that I'll leave linked in the description, and it actually works really well. It's way more complicated than the one I tried to create on my own, but again, it works perfectly. You can stitch a bunch of different photos together here, as I tried for at least 6, but I did accidentally miss one, but you get the point. It's pretty cool. One last Siri shortcut that I find useful is having your phone turn on low power mode automatically whenever the battery dips below a certain percentage. To set this up, just go into Shortcuts, select the Automations tab, and then create a personal automation. Scroll down until you see battery level, and from here, select your desired range of battery. For me, I'll go with falls below 30%, so just adjust the slider to 30%. Tap Next, and then search for low power mode at the bottom and select it. Go ahead and tap Next, and then all you need to do is deselect Ask Before Running so that it automatically turns on, and that's it. Low power mode will automatically turn on once your phone goes below 30% battery. Did you know you can do this gesture? Maybe I'm in the minority here, but I had no idea that you can basically swipe from the numbers icon to reach a number and then let go, and it automatically switches back to your letters. So you don't have to keep typing out numbers and then hit the ABC button and then go back and forth. You just swipe from one set to another and it works perfectly fine and switches back. It's a simple but great trick to know. Okay, this next one might not be super interesting or mind-blowing, but it could save you a ton of time if you didn't know this was here. If you want to know if your phone has AppleCare or if it's still under warranty, you don't have to go search online or call Apple. You just head to the settings, and under General, you'll see either Limited Warranty, which means you don't have AppleCare, or if you do, it will say AppleCare, and then you can tap for more information to see what exactly is covered and when it will expire. This next one I honestly thought was only for iPad with the Apple Pencil, but did you know if you use your finger to mark up a document or note, you can draw perfect shapes by just holding your finger still at the end of your shape. It'll automatically correct it for you, and you'll no longer have weird circles or stars. It'll be perfect every time. Want to know what song is playing around you? Well, you already know that you can Shazam it or ask Siri, but if you want to know what song is playing on your phone, for example, maybe it's in a video and it's just not listed in the description, and you just want to know the name, you can toggle the Shazam shortcut from the Control Center and it'll give you the name pretty quickly. Just go to Settings, Control Center, and add Shazam Music Recognition, and anytime you tap on the toggle, it will listen to the music around you or what's playing on your phone and give you that information. And last but not least, you can use your Apple Watch as a viewfinder for your iPhone's back camera. Just wrap the Apple Watch around your phone and launch the camera app from your watch. That's it. Now you can basically vlog with your rear cameras on your iPhone, but still see yourself if you need to. That's all the tips for this video, but let me know your favorite tips and tricks in those comments down below. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.